Hi all, Neci here of Neci's Kitchen, and this is episode 4. Today we will be creating a hearty beef stew. Lots of spices, lots of herbs, basic ingredients, lots of vegetables, which means lots of healthy things going into your body. Now check out our cost sheet for this delicious meal. One thing to think about when creating this meal is that it does take a little longer than 30 minutes to create. However, it is so amazing. Now let's check out some of the ingredients here. So some of the ingredients that we will need include baking potatoes, carrots, celery, a few cloves of garlic, onion, pepper, salt, parsley, basil, oregano. We have our stew beef here, rosemary, bay leaf, cornstarch, that's a special seasoning that we use, tomato sauce, onion powder, beef broth, and oil. So let's get started. First thing we'll do is cut the vegetables into even-sized pieces. And voila! I'm using a Dutch oven to create this meal. A Dutch oven is a cast iron covered dish that you can put in the oven or on the stove. This is ideal equipment for simmering stews and soups and for the best and most delicious tasting food. So first, let's cut our eye on medium heat and add in the oil. Swirl it around a little bit. When the pan is hot to touch, we add in our stew beef and allow it to cook. I will season the meat by adding in pepper and salt. I will continue to turn the meat until slightly brown. Remove the stew beef from the Dutch oven when it's slightly red, but mostly brown. Add about half of your onion to the stewed beef residue and allow until cook. It's optional to add flour here, but it will make your soup a bit thicker, so I will add a heaping helpful of flour to my mixture and stir until onions are tender. Add in tomato sauce and stir. Place the top on the Dutch oven and allow to cook for about 5 minutes until it is slightly boiling. Add in the spices. We'll add in the basil and the rosemary, the parsley, oregano, the beef broth, the bay leaf, and stir. Place on medium heat and cover, allow to cook for about 3 minutes. Once boiling, you will cut the heat to low or to simmer. We'll add in the rest of the ingredients. Now, I did cut the meat up into smaller pieces, so that's kind of red, but it will be okay because it's going to cook through. I add the carrots, the celery, the potatoes, the rest of the onion, the garlic, as well as other spices of salt and pepper, more oregano, more parsley, and more basil, and stir. Turn the heat to medium and place the top on so that the ingredients can boil. Once slightly boiling, you're going to turn the heat to simmer and allow to cook for about an hour. All right, it's been an hour and it looks like our veggies are tender. So I'll stir it a bit. thicker soup, I will take the cornstarch with water and stir with a fork and place in the Dutch oven with the soup and stir. I will place the top back on the stew and simmer for about 5 minutes. Next, remove the bay leaf and enjoy good beef stew at its best. Thanks for watching episode 4 of Neci's Kitchen. Subscribe to our page.